You moron! That's impossible! What astounding weakness!
Hello everybody, what is up? It is me, your boy Abedilson. Today we're not using the iPhone 6s Plus to record because today is a special video. Now, last time I got a case for my iPhone, I didn't show it to you guys. But today, we ordered the same case that we have for the iPhone 6s Plus the iPhone 6s for the iPhone 6s Plus. Here it is. I'm not showing any information and anything this time because, I don't want to have to edit it out and anything. But, yeah, it just shows, like, all the major information. So, yeah, the box. Yeah, guys, so we're going to go ahead and cut. This time we have something better, so we're not struggling. We have my trusted old thing that I got for graduation, my pocket knife. And yes, guys, it is a pocket knife. And the only reason I'm using it is to cut the thing open because, like last time, we have had struggles with unboxings before because of the stuff they use. This one, they didn't use a super strong material like they did the last one, but it's like, I just want to be able to get this open with ease. I don't want to have a hard time opening this package like we have with the last one. So you cut the paper. Okay, well, it looks like it's going to be a little bit harder than that. Actually, if it's actually this easy where we just had to peel this off, then I just literally cut that for no reason. Okay. There we go. Went ahead and got that off. Okay. So the description of the item is the iPhone 6s Plus Tough Case Gloss. Ship date. It was not shipped on the 12th. And it says that date. Oh, actually, maybe it was. Okay, guys, are you ready for it? Here's what it's gonna look like. Fresh out of this cloth package. Okay. Well, guys, here's what you guys can see right now. But this is what the inside looks like. And the outside. Ooh, man, that looks really nice. Let's go ahead and focus on that, actually. Look at that. Look at that case. Now, we're, of course, going to put it on the iPhone 6s Plus now. So we got to take out this leather piece. That's what it looks like without the leather. Here's what the leather looks like all around. I'm going to set that face up so it doesn't get like anything touching it. Okay. So before we put this in, let's just make sure we don't have anything we need to take off. Nope, we don't. Good. Okay. Now we're going to put it in the leather first. Okay. There we go. That size fits the camera way better than other cases I've seen. That is awesome. Alright, now I'm going to put the case on. I forgot how hard this thing was to put on the first time. Okay, I don't think I'm doing this right. Probably not. The buttons are the main problem. Let's go ahead and get it back out, and then we're going to try to put it back in again, this time with the actual hardest buttons. Good God, bro, like, I forgot how hard this thing was to put on. Okay, I'm just going to have to... There we go. Just make sure I didn't snap the home button. Not the home button, the power button. Okay. And it's on. Now, of course, there's a watermark on there. You guys can obviously see a little bit of it, I think. Well, you could probably just a second ago. Whoa! Yeah, guys, but that is the case, all in all. I really like it. It's something I really like, the rosé case. I feel like the guy who did this just did a really good job putting it together. Excuse me. Bless me in the comments. But yeah, guys, here's what it looks like. I hope you guys like it. This is a shorter video. I just want to do it because I promised you guys whenever I got the first iPhone 6S that I would show you guys what the case looks like, but I didn't. So here you go. It's about that thick and stuff. A really tough case, honestly, not gonna lie. Yeah, so of course, if you all did enjoy, and I'll see you all in the next one. But until then, though, hey, peace out and have a good one.